Hello everybody, I will be showing you today how to install Robosuite. In order to install Robosuite, you are going to need to install mujoco-py, and then clone git repo from Robosuite. You will also need a lot of additional packages. In this tutorial we are going to be using Anaconda as well as pycharm and Ubuntu. I'm not gonna walk you through how to install it step by step and do a follow along, because that video would take a lot of time. Through a trial and error and with the help of a lot of people, I was able to complete the installation. And I wrote a very detailed guide on how to install it. I'm gonna attach in the link of this video the link to my GitHub, where you can find a file called Linux install PDF. This file has a detailed guide on how to install both Robosuite and some other software as well. It is recommended to install it on Linux, but if you don't have Linux, what I did, I used virtual machine and I installed the virtual machine on my Windows in order to use Linux. So you have everything. I talk here about how to use virtual machine, how to implement mujoco, pycharm, Anaconda, mujoco-py, Robosuite, how to configure everything. So if you are new and you don't know even how to use Linux, this guide should help you. And I hope, if you have any questions, I will try to do my best to help you out, but this is a very complicated process. I know that many people have issues with it, so just try it and I hope it's gonna work for you.